Okay, tonight I'm doing the Harry Potter, Hogwarts Express from Wizarding World. My daughter, in the background you can see, she has a Wizarding World Harry Potter set that she's getting ready to start. So my daughter got a Harry Potter set for Christmas at my in-laws' house, and they got me a Harry Potter set to go along with it because they know I like Legos and I like trains. So we're going to do the Hogwarts Express, knock this out. It shouldn't take too long. It says it has 801 pieces. I got the laptop set up here for the directions, and it's like 140 some steps, so it shouldn't take too long. But let's go ahead and unbox this. 7 bags. Oh, here's the directions. Here's the directions and the stickers. Let's see what we got here. 3. So bag 1, 2, 7 bags. I think we counted. Yeah, 7 bags. So I always stack them up last to top. So 6, 5. All right, so that's all set up over there. Cool. So this shouldn't take too long. Got this all set up. Let's open the book here and see what it looks like this. Oh, this is a nice book. No offense, I like the kid ones. They're a little bit bigger. Not that I have bad vision, but it is easier for me to see. And the kid ones usually have the, you can, like, they have actual size photos. Let's see, what's the highest? So there's a whole world here. Cool. 143 is 143 steps. Cool. All right. Let's see, step 1. So it looks like you make all the people first. I guess it has, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. And I guess those are all actual size. All right, let's set the camera up and start building this. Okay, so you just watched the video of me assembling the train station and the train. And it also came with
minifigures.
Yeah, came with Lego figures. And I put them inside here. So what's the first one we have, Kylie?
This is the Dementor. Right here.
It comes with a Dementor. You don't need to put your hand up.
This is the person where Harry Potter gets his wand from.
Yeah.
Hermione Granger.
It comes with Hermione Granger. And then...
The wolf guy.
Oh, yeah? And then who's this?
Harry Potter.
And Harry Potter?
The main character is right here.
That's Harry Potter?
Mm-hmm.
I think these windows fold out. But there you go. And what's this one?
He is Hermione. I messed up.
It's okay. Just keep going.
This is Ron Weasley.
Weasley?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the train station here. This was the first part you built. It's the train station. It comes with like newspapers and stuff, and it has a clock. And the cool thing is it has this the wall, so they can walk through it. It lifts up.
This is the invisible wall right in the middle of it. Except when the truck strikes 12, the thing can't move anymore.
Yeah, and it comes with the 9 3/4 platform and all that stuff.
9 3/4 platform.
Yeah, and then this is the train, so they all load on the train at the platform, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's move this out over here. Let's see what you got. Well, I was building that, the train and stuff. She was building this. It's insane. Okay.
So
and what
this
is
is the inside.
Yeah.
So you can twist this thing up here.
Here, show them what it does. Right here.
Okay,
she
so
twists it.
This. Except the cool part is the inside of it. Mm-hmm. So if you look inside of it,
you can see you can see the gears.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Mine comes with all the characters, but this and these. So that's all.
So it comes with more Harry Potter and Hermione and all that stuff, and it has beds in here.
Yeah.
So that's what she was working on. She just likes Harry Potter, so I built this kit because it was given to me for Christmas, and she really likes Harry Potter, so that's why I built it for her.
As you can see, I have the shirt on.
Yeah. So that's what we've been working on the last couple of weeks is these two. This is her the first full Lego set she's put together all on her own.
Yeah.
And
I had a few help with my mom.
Yeah, but she pretty much did 90% of it on her own. Mm-hmm. So, and we already got the next set. It's here. We're going to be working on that. I think the next one's the Batmobile, the big Batmobile. As you can see, I don't know. You see right behind her, it's the big Batmobile. That's the next project.
Let me show them up.
No, it's fine. So, all right, thanks for watching, and the next video is going to be about the Batmobile.
Right behind me.
So, all right, there you go. Thanks for watching.